Hey yo, welcome in everybody. I'm Miss Kalanji and today we're going to be unboxing the Secret Lac Ergonomy Recliner add-on for my chair. I've had the chair for about a year and I've been wanting to have some things that could put my legs up instead of always having on my footstool. And we're going to unbox it, see what's in the box and if it's worth the price tag. It comes in two different model. The Founders Edition, which comes with a little metal tag that says Founders Edition, and a cooling gel. And the second one that I got, it comes in two different sides, which is the regular. So let's switch scenes so we can see what's in the box and try test the chair out. So the box literally got delivered about 10 minutes ago and decided to record it quickly so I can finally try the chair. I've been so excited to give it a shot and I've been eyeing it for a minute because it looked like it was a good, but I'm kind of worried about the thickness. It doesn't look too thick on pictures. Let's open this baby and see what's inside. Love the packaging of Secret Lab, always. So there it is. Well, that's what I was afraid of a little bit. It feel a little thin. You know, I expected it to be a bit more squishier, thicker. Like the back pillow they have is the perfect firm and soft still. The material feels amazing under my hand. I wanted it leatherette at first to match my chair, but now that I'm feeling this material, I kind of think that was probably the best for now. So I'm going to install this. Comes with the red stuff that I guess I'll figure out what that is. And obviously they always give you the little screws. I finished installing the add-on for the chair. I actually followed the YouTube video from Secret Lab that explains how to install it. I'm actually going to put it down below. And actually sat down on it, had my son sit down on it as well to see what they felt about it. First thought, the add-on is comfortable. It was a very easy installation. The material feels soft under my legs. And it feels sturdy as well. That's one thing I cannot complain about Secret Lab is most of the stuff I've had from them are very sturdy. I mean, this is my second chair from them and the older one is at least 4 years old. It does add a bit of weight to the chair. So if you might have to move the chair around as in pick it up, you might maybe have to remove it or you're going to need someone else's help. It doesn't look as bad as I thought. My concern was the fact that, you know, I have kind of the leatherette with the purple and green, and I would have loved to have the cushion to actually mimic the design of my chair. But after all, black and all, it doesn't look that bad at all. So that I'm happy about it. Now the cons. I don't find that the cushion is thick enough. Therefore, my legs, I like to have it fluffy, thick, so it feels like I have like something under my legs, right? But you do not feel the metal pieces that are under. You don't feel none of it. It's just a personal preference. I would have loved that it was thicker. And for the price point as well, I expected a bit more. My second cons is the fact that I'm only 5'2". I went for the extra large one and it only reaches half my calves. I really love my recliners to reach at least up to my ankles. So maybe they could have made it adjustable for your height so I could bring it lower and all. Which brings back to the point that having a thicker and maybe a larger cushion might help as well. Which I hope down the line they're actually going to add this. So the fact that it reaches half of my calf, feel like it doesn't feel bad. It's just that's just what I like. You know, I don't want to have all my feet just hanging. I just want just my feet itself, not more of it, right? Third con is the fact that if I'm sitting upright and I want to have my legs completely up, I cannot bring it all the way up unless I'm reclining a little bit. It could be because of ergonomic. Could be. I didn't look into it. But for me, I want to be able to, if I want to sit really, you know, completely at a 90 degrees and have my legs completely up or whatever. It also doesn't go high enough. Like it really goes to, but that it's mentioned on the website. I just skipped it. So that's entirely my fault. So when you're reclining, it doesn't go all the way up. Right? And those are the only cons that I have and a positive. So let me know what you think. I'm going to actually put the pictures right here so you guys could see the before and the after. Doesn't look too bad, right? So tell me, are you considering it? And based on what you see and what I've said, are you still gonna buy it, or is it a hard pass? Let me know in a comment below. And again, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Oh. And I swear, I forget all the time. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate your support. See ya!